How to fund your Quotex account with USDT via Binance or external exchange. It is important to understand that Quotex is a trading platform, not a cryptocurrency exchange where you buy crypto directly with your fiat money. If you want to use USDT to fund your Quotex account, you first need to acquire that USDT on a separate, legitimate cryptocurrency exchange like Binance. Buy USDT with your own money. Navigate to the My Crypto section on the exchange, find USDT Tether in the list of cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount of fiat currency you want to spend to buy USDT. The USDT will now be in your Binance or chosen exchange wallet. Now that you have USDT in your Binance or external wallet, you can use it to deposit funds into your Quotex account. Log into your Quotex account. On the Quotex dashboard, find and click on the Deposit or Finances option. Select USDT as deposit method, then carefully copy the unique USDT wallet address provided by Quotex. Open your Binance account or whatever exchange or wallet you use to buy USDT. Navigate your wallet or spot wallet and find your USDT balance. Choose the withdraw or send option for USDT, and lastly, initiate withdrawal or send transaction.